Hello, may I see your passport, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. And where are you flying with us today?
I'm going to London. I'll be studying there for a year.
How fun! That sounds like a great trip. I see your information right here. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes. Just one.
Perfect. If you could place it on the scale for me, that would be great.
Here you go.
Thank you. It appears your bag is just a bit too heavy. It is over our weight requirement. Perhaps you could take something out of your bag and put it in your carry-on bag.
Yes, I'll take this big book out of the bag. No problem.
Great. Now your bag is ready to be checked. And I see you've chosen a window seat. Is that still okay for you?
I think so. I've never flown before, so I thought it would be nice to look out at the clouds. Do you think it will be a good seat for me?
This is your first flight? Well, that's fantastic. You're going to love it. And yes, I think the window seat is an excellent choice for you then. Let me print your boarding pass and you'll be ready to go.
Okay.
Here it is. You're all set.
Thanks.
You're going to depart from Terminal C, Gate 54.
When do I need to be there?
You should get to your gate about 1 hour before departure.
And how do I get to the gate?
You will turn left at the coffee shop. Security will be directly in front of you. Once you're finished clearing security, follow the signs to Gate 54. It will be on your right.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your flight.